have a special guest today. That's my cousin, second cousin but she's my age. She's here. She is actually, आप सबने मेरा आर्टिकल पढ़ा है. Everybody knows the article about Darji. She is the granddaughter of Darji. She is उनके बेटी की बेटी है ये. So we are same age and we used to play together. When we were kids, we used to go around together, hang around together. And she sometimes joins in our morning chanting also on YouTube. So today I invited her to speak to you. So let's put her on spotlight.
She's there, Mataji. I'll just unmute her. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Welcome to our Zoom session.
Hare Krishna.
Dandavat Pranam.
Her name is Prab Simran Kaur. She's इनके घर में भी बहुत when she got married, इनके घर में भी इसके mother in law बहुत साधु संतों की करते हैं. They welcome lots of saints in their house and they have an ashram in Haridwar. Her husband's grandfather, he used to serve there and he was very popular among the saints there. साधु और संतों में वो बहुत popular थे और इनकी family में routine है, साधु संतों की बहुत सेवा करते हैं. In her इनकी मदर इन लॉ के जो रूम में भी ग्रंथ साहब भी है and she has I think so a picture or a vigrah of Krishna also on the corner she has. So they are such a family and they are proper Sikh family hai ye. So I welcome her. Let her speak now. Yeah. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Can you hear me?
Call me Mataji. Okay. So yeah. Anybody wants to ask her? She Pinky batao, aap batao. I call her that name, sorry.
It is a privilege to be amongst you today, remembering our loved and revered grandfather, Ardarji. And he's been an ideal, a very pious soul. He emphasized that our focus, our aim in life is to reach God's feet, lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Akal Purakh, Vaheguru. He believed in Amrit Vela, that is Brahmurat, as he followed it himself like a ritual. And it can be rightly said for him, Grahast mein jogi. A yogi is in Grahast ashram. And Gurmukh laha le gaye, a life well lived and devoted towards God. May God give us the strength to follow his footsteps. And really blessed to have such a rich legacy and also being associated with you, Mataji. It's a blessing from God. Your grace and graciousness. You have always inspired me through the years to take the holy name, chanting. It's a blessing, the biggest blessing in my life. The importance of prasadam and also to talk of the praises of God, learn from you, to spread his name, glorify the Lord as he loves those who take his name. I have been following the morning chanting for a good part of it, and it surely, with God's mercy, brought me nearer to the Almighty. My prayers were answered. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Yeah. Thank you. Her husband often says, I met her husband just like a month or back. It was her daughter's wedding. I gifted her a Bhagavatam set. So I was there. So her husband told me that though I'm sleeping, but in my room early in the morning at 5 o'clock, your voice is first thing I hear because she puts on the chanting. She says, while sleeping, I hear your Simran going on and you're chanting and it goes into me.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I start the day with that and it's wonderful.
Oh, nice.
Wonderful.
Like, it's very difficult, in सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है अपनी family में to somebody gets influenced by it. But I don't know how she got it. And
so many long association with you, Mataji.
So, anybody wants to ask anything from her? Anybody has any question? No question?
I'll ask Mataji.
Yeah.
Like you are also Sikh, so you were influenced by Radhika Kripa Mataji or your grandfather. So we would like to know
By
this.
Radhika Kripa Mataji, of course, because it was in the family from a long time. As I got married into this family, they were also, towards Sadhu Sant Mahatma and everything. They used to come and stay in our house. We had one floor specially for them. So they used to follow कोई अलग अलग भक्ति करते थे, and we used to take prasad from them also always. So it was, God was one for us, staying there. And even Guru Granth Sahib teaches, God is one. The names are different. सारे नाम आते हैं, राम कृष्ण सब आते हैं गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब में. So मेरे लिए भी एक ही है, it's been always one. कोई फर्क ही नहीं है. अगर गुरुद्वारे चले गए या एक ही दिन तो वो हो गया, मंदिर चले गए तो एक हो गया. It's the same, because God is one.
कितने सारे
So
like
it
Sikh
has
families,
been
कितनी
with
सारी
me
Sikh
like
families.
that. Hanji, yeah, this is a Sikh family.
Yeah,
But
कितनी सारी
because
Sikh
they are
families.
running an ashram, they was associated, my mother-in-law associated with ashram. She was the one. All the sons used to come, Mandali used to come to our house, and to take her, meet her, because she has been doing seva from years and years. So we were always given Charan Dhoni hai, Swami, sab Sant, Mandaleshwar. And the most beautiful experience I had was in Haridwar, when the Mandaleshwar had come and they were doing bhakti. I mean, that magic I have not seen again. There were 100 Sant in the room, and they were doing puja and aarti. And it was amazing how they connect to God. There is nothing beyond that. I think there's nothing beyond that in this material world. So it was really experiencing, beautiful experience. Yeah.
Yes.
गुंजन माता जी.
I was just saying, yes माता जी, जैसे अभी हमारे भी काफी सारे सिख फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो वो हमेशा ही कहते हैं नहीं हम तो अपने बाबा जी को ही मानते हैं. लाइक वो इतना ग्रंथ साहब पढ़कर सुनकर तो भी उनको ये नहीं पता चलता है कि ग्रंथ साहब क्या कहना चाहता है. लाइक कि हरि का नाम हमें लेना चाहिए, राम का नाम लेना चाहिए. तो वही मैं आपसे पूछ रही थी कि जैसे आप साधु संत आपके घर आते थे तो दे मस्ट बी टेकिंग द नेम ऑफ राम और कृष्ण.
Yes.
हाँ,
या
तो
बिल्कुल लेते थे, बिकॉज दोनों तरफ से आते थे. सिख जो पीछे अखाड़ाज हैं, सिख अखाड़ा से भी आते थे और दूसरे संत भी आते थे. मतलब मुनि संत, इवन दोज क्या बोलते हैं, श्रीमन 108 जो होते हेड ऑफ द अखाड़ाज, वो आते थे. मुझे भी नाम इतने ध्यान नहीं आ रहे. महानंद जी, जगदीश हरि जी, स्वामी जगदीश हरि जी, एंड जो मेन हेड से वो आते थे. और उनके माताजी हमारे चरण धोते थे, बरात में रख के फूल डालते थे, चरण धोते थे, नमस्कार करते थे. और सारी फिर संगत भी आती थी दर्शन करने के लिए. सो it has always been like that. They would just ring up, we are coming, the whole bus would come. There must be around 30-40 sant, सारे संत. We just used to see भगवा वेश एंड भगवान के नाम, भगवान से जुड़े हुए, बस कभी पूछे ही नहीं आप कौन से कहाँ से आए हैं. That was because they were coming from ashram Haridwar, which so to say my mother-in-law's father was running. So he had told her that after me you will carry forward this ashram. So she had been looking after it till she's 85 now. She was still supervising everything, even from Delhi. So now she could not go because she used to go every month and a week. She used to stay in the ashram and see that everything is run properly. So it was that association. She knew I am there at home and I'll look after with the other daughter-in-laws, of course. So that way.
Her mother-in-law's father, he was very, very popular. हमारी पूरी family में he was very popularly known. तो उनका नाम था साहब दित्तामल. And he used to लाहौर से जब वो हरिद्वार में ही जुड़े हुए थे, अपना आश्रम बना के वहाँ सिर्फ एक ही काम था. All the rasat pani, all the money Lakshmi would go from here, his sons and daughter, and then he used to serve only santon ko. His only job was cooking for the sadhu sant and serving them. And big businesses they had. They had even उनके जो बेटे थे उनकी मिल्स थी, कपड़ों की मिल्स हैं उनकी, very big businesses, and all Singapore, India, everywhere spread out. So, but yet they were all into sadhu sant seva and pure vegetarians at that time, all of them. So that is how a pure Sikh is like that. And Pinky Prabsimran, she's got the eyes of her grandfather, the Nanaji. Darji had the same eyes, the green eyes. She's carrying those green eyes. So Darji always loved her. She was the eldest granddaughter.
We can see the shadow of Darji in her because we have read the title.
Yeah, I can see the picture. It looks like that.
Yes.
So, it's wonderful you came. It is very nice.
अभी माता जी ऐसा लगता है जैसे दार्जी हमारे ही दार्जी हैं. Like
that's why
इतनी बार हम सुन चुके हैं.
Darji is world famous. Even
World famous now.
Yeah, when from America they call me up. Any mail were coming for the article print होना था. कोई भी mail आती है तो नाम दास Prabhupada disciple है. वो दार्जी लिख कर नहीं भेजते हैं. Send me Darji picture. Send me Darji is this. I said everybody's Darji.
Yes.
It's so beautiful. They have put the picture of Darbar Sahib Tarantaran also.
Darbar Sahib is there also in the BTG.
So lovely.
Amazing, actually.
With your endeavor to spread this beautiful story, brought it to everybody.
I gave the copy to Guru Maharaj. अभी Guru Maharaj के पास भी एक copy चलेगी because ये America से ही छप कर आई हैं, तो I could get few copies. So they couriered it to me to India. It doesn't. Yeah, it's beautiful. So thank you so much. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Hari Bol.
Thank you, Mata.
Hari Bol.